हाँ बोला। और हम आसमान की ऊंचाइयों में चारों तरफ कोहरा ही कोहरा।
मम्मी रे
मैं मादर चौधरी जो इसमें आया। Welcome back everyone to the episode 2 of Helapur Ride, and good morning. It's foggy in the morning and we are heading to Janakala Gudda. I was expecting this thing yesterday, but unfortunately we didn't get this weather, but today morning we are very fortunate and we got this. Let's enjoy the ride. God, wastage of the fish. And all the reaching destination roads are completely, it's not that you have to ride it straight. You have to watch where there are no potholes. Where there are no potholes, those things you have to search, and there only you have to ride every single time. Oh wow, that I don't think this wide angle can capture, but there's a peacock there. Yeah, it is peacock. Yeah, there it is. Oh man, that's lovely. Now I feel I did a right decision to go to Janakala Gudda. Yeah, that's the right word. Janakala Gudda on the second day, because yesterday it was not this weather, but neither it was very sunny. It was neither this weather. So I was thinking whether it would be better if I go in the morning time. So this is it. Seems like my decision is not wrong. People in this town are really lucky, man. Every morning they get a scenic beauty. Step out of the home and all you get is beautiful nature, which we address coming from, right from Dharwad, or maybe traveling a lot of distance. We want to address it, but these people are really lucky that they get it right on their doorsteps. The road and the nature are inversely proportional. Inverse proportionality theorem. The fun part is we will follow Google and let's see where we'll reach. And seems like we have a lot of beautiful stuff to capture on the way that Google suggested. But the trade-off is the road. भाई the road, भाई छोटा ही से अच्छा रोड बना दिया करो. अरे भाई. So this is a destination. ये आज चुकी बा मारू. अभी 80 रुपये वाचा टाइम है आज. भाई फॉग इतना भी नहीं मांगा था. 100-200 ज़्यादा ले लेकिन फॉग हटा दे.
इंडिया में फॉग कुछ ज्यादा ही चल रहा है.
Well, a quick update. This is the main entrance of Janakala Gudda. There is one more way for a falls here. If you want to explore, you can explore, but the terrain is really dangerous. I can show you a little glimpse. I can show because I wore slipper this morning. I cannot go down. So this is it. It's quite dangerous. I think the way is something like this, and then take left. I don't know, because they have put some fences here. Maybe that's the way. It may lead to the way, but we don't have time. We have to cover a lot of places today. That is why we are leaving. But anyone is interested, then they can explore this place. I have even seen most of the things in the maps. Most of the people said this is very dangerous terrain. That is why we are giving a pass for this. Because so let's head to Makod.
A few moments later.
Makod Falls. Starting of the Makod Falls. Hey, car, we again. Well, I had planned to take shots from different angles, different points. I'm not able to see anything now. Only one point was visible, and that also I just took just one shot. I don't think I'll get any view from here. There are a lot of places to capture from, but I don't think. See, this is the thing, and this is the thing which I covered already. Visibility is completely gone. So we are skipping Satodi Falls because we are fed up of seeing too many falls now. So we are going to a hanging bridge, checking out the room now, and by far my estimation maybe around 10 PM or 11 PM we should be in Dharwad. I mean, right from hanging bridge we will be heading directly to home. Before that we will be having lunch, and then we'll continue to hanging bridge and then to Dharwad. So it's 3:30 now. We had just had a lunch and heading to hanging bridge right at 3:30.
A few moments later.
I have to tell, man, I really have to tell, roads around Belapur are completely gone. I mean, you cannot expect good roads here. Maybe you see some place in the maps and you decide to go there by seeing the photos, and guess what you will get? This. Not even a single road is smooth as butter. Every single road is completely destroyed. I don't know why there are so many nice places to see here, and why government is not taking any steps for these roads. Maybe because it's not Bengaluru, or it's just it's in North Karnataka. That is why. I don't know why. Same thing for Chikmagaluru. So fantastic roads. You can watch my vlog. Maybe my button you'll be getting right now after this video. But anyway, I have to tell, man, these roads are completely destroyed. Only the main roads are very good. Main roads, the main highways, those are all NH highways anyway. But these roads are completely gone. वेलकम टू ग्राम सड़क योजना. क्या योजना बनाया है, वाह, फैंटास्टिक. Continuously 18 kilometers. It was completely dance, kind of a dance, yeah. And I'm really not coming back to this road again. Please, if you are thinking to come to Satodi Falls, have fun, you will really get off your mind. What you will do all the way is you will just curse the person who is responsible for this road. So I am planning to go to Ulvi, from there to Ambikanagar, maybe around some 50 to 60 kilometers. I'll stretch my journey, but I will not come back to this damn shitty road. And I'm sorry I have to use the hard language, but I'm really out of my mind now. I'm saturated, completely saturated. This is the reason why many people, I mean, why this place is not as famous as Dandeli. Now I'm getting to know. I have made a right choice by coming here in a worst road. Wow, bhari jagah baby. Isn't it beautiful? Seems like the road, whatever we faced, paid off. Really paid off. Awesome. Yeah, let's go, man. Oh man, this is fantastic, dude. Woo! भारी मजा है ना. Not going back to that road again. We have changed our routes. We'll be traveling to Ulvi. From there, I think to Dandeli. From there to Haliyal. From there, of course, to Dharwad. For 3 kilometers, I think this kind of road is there. We inquired with locals. 3 kilometers. It's better. 3 kilometers is better than 20 kilometers. So we chose Ulvi and the road which I told before. And this has to be recorded, man. How can we leave this? Oh my god. Jungle. First gear, man. I'm riding since from last time. I'm riding in first gear. I'm pulling the strings. I'm pulling Honda Shine to its maximum.
यही का घालत देखो मागोड फॉल्स में
हाँ.
फुल तू चालतो होते था खाले मागोड फॉल्स कडे पूरा फॉग होतो देख
हाँ.
भाई कोराही का मुली का ना
हाँ.
रिप्लाय देवान चालू करू द्या तिने कोण सा प्लेस बा का मुली का ना 4-5 जना पूजा ठीक आहे ते
वाइब ऑफ अ जंगल. उळवी फॉरेस्ट. यहाँ भी खड्डा नहीं कहते नहीं बट
रोड है
रिलायबल से रोड है. हलस रोड नहीं से जंगल में मंगल करने जा रहे हैं. कौ बॉय गो होम, कौ वुमेन, कौ गर्ल, वॉट एवर यू आर. भाई साहब. Man, we got lost in jungle and somewhere we took a wrong turn and you can see dense of the forest. Dense. Man, there's a lot of story to tell. I mean, really, lot of interesting things are happening. Well, this is dangerous, but we got a little bit lost and we had a forest office nearby. We asked them and they told us they guided us the way. So now we will get to that road and we will head back. Damn it, we will go easy. We'll take our time. We'll reach by it's okay if we reach by midnight, but it's better reaching by midnight to the home than staying in this jungle. Yeah, meet you when we meet some conclusive location. See you then. You know what? The fruitful achievement of getting lost. This. गरीबों का ले लद्दाख. Oh man, damn it.
मुंडे दे पर पिक्चर बने और बने ये अबे इन्हें सब देख ले डीजे मारो ये डीजे साइड जगह में.
After the last video, we couldn't shoot anymore because it was too dark in that jungle. We did the fire camp after that. Getting to the main road was the biggest priority, so we skipped all the videos, and also it was completely dark. And GoPro also sucks in the dark. So I think by now I have already uploaded the first video. I just wanted to tell the story after that thing, whatever happened. We did the fire camp. The road was okay if the person was a single rider on a bike. Pillion ride is not recommended on that road. It was like 45-degree angle, complete 45-degree angle, and I told 3 kilometers, but after that to 7 to 8 kilometers it was like complete 45-degree, and it was zigzag, completely zigzag. On top of that it was completely dark. Even where we were riding in the Anshi National Park, and
Once we got network, we opened the maps and we opened GPS. Then we got to know that we are in the Anshi National Park. We reached Ulvi. There, people told us that how did you even cross that jungle in that darkness? Because they told us that it's a haunted place. So after that, we reached Hadiyal and the petrol. There was no petrol in the tank. By the time we reached Hadiyal in HF Deluxe, it was like we struggled for 2 to 3 hours during midnight hours, like from 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock. We went to petrol bunks and we asked the owners, we called them, nobody helped, and somehow we were able to manage the petrol. And then at 4 o'clock we reached home, and I couldn't do the ending part just because of that we were completely exhausted by 4 a.m. in the morning. So that was it. And with that, I'll conclude this video, and please do like, share and subscribe. This, shooting is not a big deal on the camera, but editing takes a lot of effort and time. Please, considering that, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any other suggestions, please do let them in the comment section below. Till next one, goodbye, take care and wear a mask.